Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add multiple video sections to product detail page on Shopify. For example, you can see that I've added 2 videos to this product detail page. I'll be showing you how to do that. The first thing you want to do once on Shopify, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you're going to tap on Edit Theme. Then you're going to tap right where you see Home Page, and you're going to select Products. Then you're going to select Default Product Template. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to see Product Information. You're going to tap on Product Information. Then the next thing you want to do at the top, you're going to simply scroll down, and you're going to see the option right here, Add Block. You can tap on that. After you have selected Add Block, you're going to select Video. Once you have selected video, from there you can select the type of video that you want. Either you can choose uploaded video or you could choose external URL. So let's say for example we were to select external URL. After selecting external URL, I'll just go onto YouTube for example, and I'm just going to be copying this URL, and I'll go back and I'll simply paste the URL right here. And you can see that you can also choose to autoplay loop video, and you can also upload for example a thumbnail image if you want. After you have done that, you can add another block. And by the way, you can also move it into whatever position you want by simply tapping on it. Then you can drag and for example place it below the header. So if I wanted to place it below the header, I could drag and place it below the header. As you can see right there, you have different options that you can choose from. And you can tap on Add Block once more. Then we'll select Video, and then we'll be able to add our second video. So for example's sake, let's say I were to select this one. I'll simply tap on Share. I'm just going to copy the link. After copying the link, I'll go back into Shopify, and I'm just going to select right here. So I'll select External URL. I'm just going to paste in the URL. And you can see right there, now I've added 2 videos. Now you'll tap on Save to save the changes, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.